Hello, my guitar playing friends. My name is Steven Stark, and this is a video made especially for guitar players and students from Riyadh and Dammam. Thank you so much for tuning in. This first video is going to be kind of a review of a couple of the songs that we played in Dammam. So let's get right to it. The first thing I want to review is how to hold the pick properly. Now the guitar pick, you do not have to use the pick, but if you are using it, the guitar pick looks like this, and I prefer a medium pick, meaning it's a little bit flexible, but not too floppy. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hold it with my left hand, for all you right-handed guitar players, and I'm gonna bring my thumb across, just like this, to where it's perpendicular, and then I'm gonna bring my first finger right up behind it like this. And there we go. I have a two-fingered pick hold. Not something like this, but something just like this. The next thing, and that it will enable you to play all sorts of styles from individual notes to strumming chords very easily. The next thing I want to review is how to read chord blocks. I'll put a picture up of a chord block, and then remember that it is a picture of what your guitar looks like this, with your first string, second string, third string, and so forth. And then these are the frets, and it shows you where to put your fingers. Again, for you left-handed guitar players, it's going to be a little bit different. So sorry about that. So we are going to review the song Red River Valley. I'm going to play it once right now, and we'll have the music there in the WhatsApp group, so you can look at that and review that. So I'm going to play it and sing it, and I hope that you will play it along with me. We're going to be playing the three-string versions of the chords this time, which means G is like this, so I'm only going to be strumming three strings. C looks like this, so I'm going to do three strings again. And D7 will look like this. This one I can hit four strings. So please play along with me and look at the music, and remember that each one of those little slashes, this way or that way, not an X, but like that way, is a strum. So here we are. Come and sit by my side if you love me. Do not hasten to bid me adieu, but remember the Red River Valley and the cowboy who loved you so true. Very good. So you can also play the full versions of the chords if you are interested in trying that. The G chord, again, we'll have it up here in a picture, but it is going to look like this. So we still have that same one done, but I'm going to put my pinky on it instead and come down here like this. Now some people also do it this way, which can also work. C, we have our finger like we did with the three-string version, but we're also going to have them here like this. So we have a full C chord. D chord, we already did it. That is the full version. Now, why would you do the full version? Well, it will help you have a fuller sound when you strum. A G, instead of sounding this way, will sound this way. It's a pretty big difference. And you can also do a different type of strum pattern. For instance, instead of just strumming downs, you could try this, where I hit the low note, the bottom note of the G chord, and then the rest of the chord like this. Then when I go to C chord, I will not hit the sixth string, but rather the fifth string. You can see I missed it a little bit. That's okay. That's okay if you hit the wrong string a little bit. And then D chord, I'll hit the fourth string as my bottom note. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play the song again, and then the second time I'm going to go into this new strum pattern. So I'll play it twice. Then I'm going to go into another song that we played in Dammam. So here we go, Red River Valley again. Come and sit by my side if you love me. Do not hasten to bid me adieu. This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. I'll see you next time.